Goes lamb. Something. There's our route. Up, up and away.
Right now I'm walking over a sheer rock. They've got little pegs that have somewhat...
There goes lamb.
Ew. So what do you reckon's down there, Trace?
I don't know, maybe death, the abyss, cold, yeah, maybe beers.
On the Crocs. How's this, Soph?
This is nice. We've got a nice little cliff here, just dangling below me.
It's pretty legit, if you ask me. We're pretty much going up. This is straight up. There is no angle, this is just straight. So thank goodness for some pegs.
This is plumb 90 degrees, folks.
Maybe it's like 92. A little bit of overhang.
Okay, so here we are on the mountain. It's just to show how elite Norway is. So there's this fat cliff. If I just reach over here, blueberries. Where do you get that? Hungry? How's that, lamb?
That's cool.
Okay, this is a bit of overhang. This is like 100 degrees. Frick, how's that?
Imagine if you could see.
Imagine if we could see.
That'd actually be terrifying.
It would be like salty. Yeah.
Elite spot after elite spot.
Oh, no, that's
What a spot to eat lunch, hey? Now, I'll cut to a shot. To what it's meant to look like. That's what it is for us.
That's where the pig's going to be taken to.
And then we have to go straight, oh, can't even angle. Straight up there, fat. Oh!
Oh, you guys all sit down, I'll get a pic.
Yeah.
How was that, lamb?
That was sick. This is crazy. I love it. I love it, love it, love it.
As you learned, what did you just do, Fraser?
I just peed over the end of this. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Soph wasn't so game, so she's gone up high.